Today, we're going to demo for you the Braille Treasury product, which is what allows you to create your own stablecoin, and not just any stablecoin, a regulated fiat-backed stablecoin. When I log into the Braille dashboard using Treasury, I'm going to start on testnet, and you can see I've already created on testnet a cash stablecoin. Cash was prototyped and deployed on 3 chains in roughly 10 minutes across different testnets. We've chosen very low-cost chains to deploy on. We've also chosen EVM and non-EVM chains. You can quickly, when deploying on testnet, see the different tokens on the different trackers quickly after deploying your new stablecoin. You can see those represented on the relevant testnet explorers for Stellar, Polygon, and Celo. Now that we've done that, which took about 10 minutes if you look at the time here, we're going to take this and we're actually going to go to Mainnet. Because this is the first deploy, we're going to deploy the new cash stablecoin into the custodial wallet. We're going to deploy on Celo, which the primitives we've already put in, the name, description, icon, are going to be embedded into the smart contract that is going to be deployed to represent cash on chain. When you mint a new stablecoin, you have the ability to fund it with an on-chain or off-chain transfer. For the sake of efficiency and time, I'm going to choose to fund this cash stablecoin mint on Celo utilizing an existing stablecoin on Polygon. Now, this is a live transaction deploying a real stablecoin. What's happening here is that because this is on Polygon, the funds need to be confirmed prior to the mint beginning. You can see once funded, the cash smart contract is being deployed on Celo. Once the contract is deployed, the mint starts right away. There is $100 in cash reflected on Celo. Here is the smart contract that has been deployed representing that stablecoin. As of right now, the social profiles on the explorers have not been updated. What I'll do next is show you redeeming from cash on Celo to $1 in your corporate banking account or redeem to USDC. I'm going to redeem to USDC on Avalanche because it is quick. I'm going to redeem $60 because I will use that to fund additional wins. That redemption is occurring. The first thing that happens is that the USDC will be available in my custodial wallet. It looks like things are good. It's just waiting to be finalized. The $60 has been removed from my account and removed from circulation. There's only 40 cash stablecoins. Now, what we can do is we can deploy cash on additional blockchain ecosystems, and we're going to mimic the same ones that we tested with. So we'll take $30 and deploy it to Stellar. The USDC transaction was received and minting begins automatically. You can see that it's going to the custodial wallet. Now that that's complete, the stablecoin has been created at Stellar. The correct supply that is available, and since it's brand new right now, there's not going to be a lot of history. Now, due to the attributes of this program, I want to get cash on one more chain, and that's going to be Polygon. Let's see what our amount is. Let's do a nice $30 to round it out at $100 in total supply. I'll have the same option to fund the mint. And you'll notice I'm funding the mint from a stablecoin on a different chain, which our system takes care of all the complexity of managing these different chain balances. And we'll walk through cross-chain swaps after this. What will happen behind the scenes is that the USDC is being transferred to Braille in order to fund the cash stablecoin mint. The transaction is currently being signed. And we wait for Avalanche to finalize, and then the Polygon mint will begin. The USDC has been received and finalized. So the smart contract will be deployed that represents the stablecoin cash on Polygon immediately while creating brand new stablecoins. Braille does not reflect when the instruction is being processed by the chain. It reflects as complete when finalization is complete on each relevant blockchain. These may look like they take much longer than a traditional transfer, and that is simply waiting for finalization. The smart contract has been deployed on Polygon, and immediately the mint for the brand new stablecoins for the $30 will begin. The Polygon smart contract has been created to represent the cash stablecoin. Everything's fresh. You now have $100 in the cash stablecoin that's been created from scratch for this demo. You can see the chains it's been deployed on. You can see the contracts out on Mainnet. So to use Treasury to create a brand new bespoke stablecoin took about 30 minutes with me getting a bit distracted, and most of our time was spent waiting for confirmations. Once these are created, you're able to transfer your stablecoins, and you're able to swap your stablecoins across chains. Now that the stablecoin has been created and it is live on multiple chains, you can move the stablecoins from one chain to the other, doing no additional integration work. Braille's infrastructure manages the underlying treasury while keeping the natural supply of the stablecoins correct. The balance has actually gone down by 30 on Stellar because it's so fast, it's already been removed. In this particular case, the Stellar stablecoin is being removed from circulation and burned, making room for the cash stablecoin to be minted on Cello. The transaction has already finalized on Stellar. We go out and look at the contract. There is no supply of your cash stablecoin, and it is now being minted on Cello. Now that it's complete, there's $100 in total supply and $100 in this particular cash balance. The system enables you to redeem all of your brand new stablecoins if you would like, or alternatively, is happy to make more of them. Happy building!